In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your game or your Minecraft settings. So if you go to options, example, video settings or any other thing, so maybe you keep like changing some stuff here and you just want to get back to default, but you don't remember which settings it were. So what you'll need to do simply, first of all, you will have to go and quit the game, close Minecraft completely. For me, I'm not going to start with that. But for you, make sure to do it. Then you'll have to go and click on Windows R. You'll have to type percentage app data and another percentage and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this should take you here. So you'll have to look for .minecraft, and in here you'll have to look for a simple file. It's called option.txt. If you scroll down, normally you find it at the bottom. So just go and find it and delete it. You either click on delete key on your keyboard, or you basically just right click on it and of course select it, right click on it, and you will have to delete it. So once you delete it, you can just go now and open your Minecraft again. So if it's not closed again, you will have to close it and open it. So restart it, because it will generate, once you close it and open it again, it will restart like a new default like config and options. So as an example, once you does this, the video game will open again. So let me just first of all go to this, lower it. So as you can see, all the settings went back to default. Even as you can see, it's not even on full screen anymore. You can just go, or I can keep it like that. Okay, that's good. So as you can see, it's not even on full screen anymore. As you can see, my words are still there. Nothing has changed. Even if I have anything here, it will stay there. The only thing that changed is simply options or settings. And of course, if you want to reset the game fully, you can just go back to the same folder and delete other config files, or just reinstall Minecraft, which is the best option. And on Bedrock, as an example edition, you can go to your settings as an example and storage, and then you'll find the clear data inside Minecraft app. That's not an option in the Java edition. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.